2025年7月2號星期三，而家下晝5點半，所以呢個上場好多都閂咗啦，下邊鋪頭都好多都閂啦。呢條 Main Street， 好啦，呢度出翻個哈巴海邊。落返嚟落海邊，5點幾，個太陽係唔同曬法。打車嘅，唔係。係咯，溫度都低咗，所以攞翻件風褸。冇睇下個陽光好似做得好慢，但係就涼咗啦，個熱浪都過咗啦。6點半船，所以咧早啲落嚟探下個石崖，咪呢度行先。唔得就早啲落去買船飛。入停車場喎，應該。停車場，呢度去返頭先，唔係停車，我頭先喺嗰邊停車場落，但係我間屋就喺上邊，我住嗰間屋就喺上邊嗰度，嗰度有個rock 喺上邊，即係今朝有個斜喺下邊望上去，有條路上喺嗰度咧，你揾唔到入，呢度睇唔到入口。好啦，唔緊要啦，下次調轉頭喺嗰邊行翻轉頭，咪就揾到個口向邊。我今日冇行呢條天橋，聖堂。好啦，早啲出去 book 飛啦，早啲出去碼頭 book 飛，冇理由滿咗嘅。中招。太陽夠車啦，5點幾。 反而可以唔戴太陽眼鏡。哇！呢陣時黃昏就已經過嚟，係呢個黃昏嚟，喺英國唔戴太陽眼鏡真係難搞。Family， 噴水池。好，都其實咁樣抽水，taxi， call taxi。我係深色咗個係藍㗎嘛，錯覺啊！仲有人曬緊太陽。而家個太陽冇係啦，猛就冇日頭咁猛，就殘眼咯。係加埋個時間陽光弱咗啲就凍，溫度低啲咯。揾食啊！到啦揾食。俾你。呢度近海啊，溫度個溫度低過內陸咧，應該涼過內陸，但係濕度都高，濕度高啲衫難乾啲，濕度嗱曬得成日，而家濕度都話60幾、67%。尋晚曬，喺房要80%，嗰啲衫咧難乾啲，所以有啲嘢要再調節嚇。啲衫冇可能冇洗咁多，講唔切。好彩今日涼咗。所以換咗另外一組衫先，着我啲比較暖啲嘅衫。尋日下裝就嗰度仲晾緊。因為我可能呢啲摩天嚟嘅冇乜吸引，要嘥我時間，嘥我錢，嘥我時間。買完飛。好似喺邊啊？好似喺葡萄牙嗰度。Farah 係啊，坐船嗰次咁。呢度買飛，我話你行，我呢度好彩佢話行5分鐘，上次行15分鐘，攞個時間問。我喺臨尾先攻入去問，15分鐘，快啲行出去！ 啊，我哋有電話 call 出嚟，有客嚟緊，有客嚟緊，啲水退啊！係咯，尋日呢個時間5點幾係咯，4點幾已經退到。水退係咪多啲嘢睇啊？沿海邊多啲岩石露出嚟啊！大家看小一死 OK，Point A， 好啦，繼續揾啦。話都唔好話個太陽唔熱，枕住曬住要 microwave， 入咗 microwave oven 我諗都係今朝係咯，今朝見嗰度見人喺度教人做救生衣嗰度應該都係。望到隻橙色船，今朝嗰隻啊！時間上早，稍等下先。有人喺度，我頭先我喺度呢個，都係等緊船。船未到。Hello. You're taking a boat trip?
You a sailor?
No. I'm overage, I think. 啲魚螺定蟹螺係嗰啲咁嘅咩documentary嗰啲人捉嗰啲蟹啊，長腳蟹啊，抌啲螺落去，一螺螺撈上嚟。有時間，船未到，行出呢條咁嘅橋。Harbour Old Fish Quay Key Old Fish Key 係咯，個碑呢邊佢今朝話呢個內港內港，呢個港內呢度就另外一忽。呢隻佢應該開得㗎啦，定時開。開係咪呢個位開？定呢個位開定轉呢？你可以行過呢邊，又唔使兜過嗰邊。Waiting platoon 等船。以前係一個，我諗呢隻花係嚟啦，船到了，呢度係啦，有水高低位嘅。有水高低，咁點過啊？ 去啊！你諗下點樣過啊？又要開腳，又要開下邊嘅水閘，下邊石屎嘅喎，見到嗰嚿。係咯，呢度個內湖水靜河飛，呢邊又反而有啲浪。呢個係開合橋啦，好上船，又見到我住嗰間屋。啱啱好隻船。
Ash, I'll chuck the hose down.
要綁尾，綁完頭要綁尾。唔係綁船尾啊，係入水。係入水。
Very good evening, ladies and gents. Good evening, everybody. Gosh, it's not a very good response. I've had good responses, you know, at 11 o'clock at night. Good afternoon, good evening, everyone. The spirit, that's the spirit. See, if you're happy, I'm happy, and you get a better trip. Anyway, welcome to the Torquay Princess. Well, it's not the evening, it's going to be breezy, but believe you me, once we get round Barry Head later, now we've all settled on that, it will be much nicer. Please, just wait. Just wait, going through that with me again, the Princess, it'll be absolutely marvellous. Anyway. That's the most southern extremity of the sea area, so we'll say we're on the most northern at the minute. The wind is blowing from the northwest. So up to Barry Head of Brixton is the bit where it's coughing all the squishy squashiness of the food on surface water. And then once we're around the head, we get to the shelter of the head of the plane. It's a very dramatic coastline, as you'll see on the big coast of the shore that's going around Barry Head. The geological formations of that area are somewhat amazing. Breathtaking, and you'll see it firsthand. So let's hope you've got full charge in your phone, because you'll probably take lots of lovely pictures this evening with us.
sniper today, it's sick.
船長走咗去煎嘢，呢個副手揸緊船而家賣啦，我要揾啲船長嚟頂翻住。
Anyway, that's another story later. We just want to go through the safety things and safety appliances on board for those who joined us in Brixham. Down through the front locker here, we've got life jackets. On the top of the cabin roof above me here, we've got life rings, and also at the back there's extra life rings there for easier sake to get hold of them. And then we've got a big large white cylinder to the rear, which is our self-inflating life raft.
Where did you say the life jackets were?
Gravity, which protects Brixham. Protecting you from the southerly gales in the winter. The coastline that we're going to be alongside very shortly is very dramatic, yet it's shaped by the weather. And also it's been shaped by the millions of years of tectonic plates and movements of the earth. Now we're going to see firsthand the geology, the geological formations, which are somewhat very interesting. We're going to be up close and personal to much of this, where hopefully you'll get some pictures, some lovely pictures taken. There's Colin the Cormorant, that's him, on the right. There's a few of them actually, Colin and Chris and Clive. Colin, Chris and Clive. Now the cormorants have a very low oil content within their feathers, and so you'll often see them on the rock and the shoreline with their wingspan fully wide open in an attempt to dry off their feathers because they become very, very waterlogged. Now just the other side of this ledge here, and that rock there you can see, just set off the shore slightly, behind there is a breeding season for guillemots, to which no mariners are allowed to go that side of that headland at the moment, until the breeding season ends. If you were to go in there, you could really be penalised by the Secretary of State, that will give authorisation to the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency and also the police, and also customs. It's somewhat serious if you go interfering with wildlife in exclusion zones, which what we're not doing today. So coming up here, this is one of my favourite pieces of the coastline here, folks. One of my favourite pieces because the layeration of the Devonian limestone coming from the right, somewhat interesting, layering up in that diagonal and semi-upright direction. We're going to see it very shortly. There is also a very rich red colour within the limestone here, so this is an indication of the iron ore content. And talking of iron, that's what Ash will be pumping tonight in the 24-hour gym when he gets home this evening. Lovely little inlet here coming up on the right here. Have a picture taking opportunity here. If you look over the rail, please don't dangle your wife over the rail by the legs. But there are many jellyfish here today. See the jellyfish? On the straw on the right hand side. Now don't you worry, there'll be times in the trip I turn the vessel around so everybody can see what's going on. Look at the narration on the left there.
It's wide, and I spent 20 minutes learning it, and then I go, that's what
似嗰啲 jellyfish 啊。
They were in the harbour yesterday.
係啊，而家都有啊，唔知你睇唔睇到？佢咁 move 得好快㗎，停低咗可能睇到啦。move 緊就我哋真係睇唔到。
If you jump into a car inside here, or on the top of the cliff, shall I say, we would, literally 45-50 minutes in Lexington or Plymouth. Again, here where we are today, so very peaceful and so very beautiful. We're going to go down towards Mount Sand and then also Scavengers in that direction. Again, very dramatic, very beautiful. It gets greener though as we go further down. Now, one of my fishing secrets is one of my top tips today is if you fish off the beach here, between the beach and this rock, see this ledge coming up on the right here? Fish off the beach, past it. Ladies and gentlemen, there will be times where you see me go quite a way up the shore, other times you're going to be nice like this. Look at these corners on that rock there, that mentioned the right ahead. What a picture. I mean, the sun's shining. Just that small edge showing there. It's very impressive, those corners there, following those threads. So this is Mountain Sands. Now these coastguard cottages, I remember when they were empty, when they were derelict at one point when I was younger. And they've been sold off many times. Now they're all absolutely modern inside. But the Coast Guard, the Hedge Coast Guard, around the UK, they're so hot. come back to now, we're going to reference on what the Coast Guard on the site. Now, when you speak to Coast Guard on the venture, let's speak to somebody fair. That's where fair, that's where Debbie's toy board is. Is that right, Deb? We're going to head down now to Skeleton. Yes, this is Debbie and Ash's favourite beach. Well, there's only more about their outfits down there at the moment.
啱應該撞到嚿石。今日又有意外又關我事㗎啦！水底有嚿石嚟㗎。準備救生艇。緊急又特別節目啊，餘興節目檢查。都撞爛咗啲木喎，架船應該有事去喎。Looks good， 睇過好似冇嘢，未穿未入水咁係咪要玩埋救生艇啊？超值。
Wear off. We're going to put life jackets on as a precaution, okay? Boat is not taking water, okay? We've got systems on here to explain it and show it. So we are going to put life jackets on. I have called for assistance as a matter of precaution, okay? So we're going to don life jackets, we're going to do it calmly, and we're going to take care of making sure we get them all on safely and correctly, okay? The tide is on the flood at the moment. As you can see, we're quite off the shore, okay? We're going to do that calmly as we get the process. Okay, yeah, you're going to take it off probably higher than that, okay? Nice and calmly, folks. Do you want me to help hand out? Yes, please, if you can. Just 2 people, no panicking. 2 people here, just to sparse them down as an infant, okay? Please take them out of the bag. You slip them over your head. You slip them over your head, folks, okay? As if you're donning a waistcoat, okay? Or a t-shirt. That's an infant. Okay.
Hey, 超值啊，超值啊！練習完畢。練習完畢。有翻台出嗰隻船。輕接喎。
We are making our way back with the process. Firstly, I apologise. We are safe. Thank you for the concern correctly. We've got the light on installed. Make sure. We have zero so Ash is now the killer. Please you're interested in your safety. You're not with a bunch of idiots, although that's not happened. But your safety is our priority. So break, Zilla.頭先都撞完之後浪起咗隻船，所以頭先一路見架船喐，試個 engine， 所以叫啲人係咯，第一件事走救生衣咗啦，個幾個船，跟住叫啲人走上去船尾，睇可唔可以吞翻喐隻船。好啦，總之咁就甩爛喐翻。頭先嗰段都見到佢一路開 engine， 但係啲水花就喺個船底嗰度。我反而要整啊！呢隻船嗰個要。好啦，呢個係唔收錢嘅額外節目。應該叫做 Coast Guard， 開咗 Coast Guard。Coast Guard 頭先啱咪打橫過。跟咗我哋後邊㗎啦。我諗係啦。
幾個浪，所以佢架 coast 加啲浪嚟嘅，係啊，開得好快啊，真係。
Open it up again, Ash. Are you happy for that?
Yes. For a second.
No, no, no.
Okay,
I can do it.
okay. Thank you.
Do you want a photo?
Yeah.
Yes. A picture?
Yeah, but you can do it.
I can do it.
Ladies and gents, it's really important now that you stay in your position. This is more important than earlier. This is the time we need to make sure everyone is seen to move and get through as safe as possible for the crew. We are going to be in alongside in about 5 minutes. Back alongside in front of earlier, and I think we're making up a bit around the head.
成隊人響碼頭度等我哋。
Ladies and gents, don't be alarmed that everybody here is for a good reason, and make sure you stay seated for the moment, and we'll be off in a minute.
I want you to just keep it on for 2 more minutes, alright? They're not a souvenir, you're not keeping them, alright? No whistles, take it off, you know, I sent the people on the side of the coast guard, just checking that everything's alright. They've been practicing at Torquay, they've not been practicing at Brixton, so that's handy.
That's okay, thank you. But I didn't mean to put you all around.
That jump straight in.
Yeah, it takes live boats. 呢邊就上緊船，小朋友啊，小朋友。有一次撞啊！第一次撞船幾時啊？第一次撞船去馬爾代夫。馬爾代夫啊，斷咗條肋骨。唉，今次啱呢度就啱趌起身，抌垃圾，啱飲完杯 Pepsi 啦，諗到一趌起身就嘣我以為係我企唔穩。啲行動不便啊，有 BB 唔知係可唔可以坐呢個船翻去，因為要自己坐車翻。呢度係 Bliss 下啊，我要翻去Torquay。我上咗碼頭，而家行去個灘嗰度啊！如果我冇聽錯嘅，揾個地方，揾個 path 俾我哋唞一陣，再決定點樣送我哋翻去。Get us warm 啊，都幾凍啊！我就帶埋條頸箍出嚟，咁就好啲。
Still jealous, still haven't met him. I'm hoping next season.
未知啊，暫時未知有咩安排，你可以自己搭巴士走先。
Yeah, fingers crossed we might be able to get attention.
Oh, heading home. 佢哋安排咗架巴士，等得就可以等。夜景啊！哦，日落咗啦，所以9點幾10，10點9點半日落。Another chapter 有車翻就得，唔緊要，大把時間。後邊個 captain 啦，同個副手啦，同埋 今日賣飛俾我嗰位女士，喺後邊跟住嚟。好啦，跟住佢哋應該仲要送完我哋翻去，應該仲要搞隻船。
Drivers letting everybody go aboard free, and if you've got a pass or not.
Anybody else that was on our boat trip, please? Thank you, thank you.
Come on, you. Come on, you. On the boat, please.
OK， thank you， thank you， thank you。好，拜拜，拜拜，拜拜，拜拜。坐上去睇風景啊，夜景都要睇下。Hi. I just want to send it for you.
Shall I see if they want
晚都夠晒，今日夠晒刺激啦，好啦，拜拜。